Iran's journey to becoming a formidable naval power is nothing short of remarkable. Over the past few decades, the nation has defied expectations, building a fleet of advanced, homegrown destroyers that showcase its engineering prowess and strategic vision. From the pioneering Jamaran to the futuristic Zulfiqar project, Iran's destroyers are a testament to self-reliance and innovation. Let's dive into the fascinating story of how Iran mastered the art of destroyer building and explore the ships that are reshaping the region's naval landscape. The Moj class, the foundation of Iran's naval ambition. The Moj class represents Iran's bold leap into naval self-sufficiency. This family of destroyers, comprising Jamaran, Damavand, Sahand, and Dena, has evolved with each iteration, showcasing advancements in radar, weaponry, and hull design. These ships are not just vessels. They are symbols of Iran's determination to protect its waters and project power far beyond its shores. Jamaran, the trailblazer. Commissioned in 2009, Jamaran was Iran's first domestically built destroyer, a historic milestone. Belonging to the Moj class, this 94-meter-long vessel displaces around 1,500 tons and is a multi-role marvel. Its armament includes Noor anti-ship missiles, the 76mm Fajr 27 naval gun, and a close-in weapon system for air defense. Equipped with a helicopter landing pad, Jamaran supports reconnaissance and anti-submarine missions. Its indigenously developed radars provide multi-layered defense, enabling it to tackle surface, air, and subsurface threats simultaneously. Jamaran is more than a ship, it's a statement. Designed and built entirely in Iran, it laid the groundwork for future destroyers, proving that Iran could compete with global naval powers. Its versatility allows it to conduct surface warfare, air defense, and anti-submarine operations, making it a cornerstone of Iran's Persian Gulf fleet. Damavand, resilience in the Caspian. Damavand, an upgraded Moj-class destroyer, was tailored for the Caspian Sea. Launched in 2015, it featured enhanced radars and a distinct propulsion system compared to Jamaran. Armed with indigenous missiles, guns, and electronic warfare systems, it was a symbol of Iran's northern naval strength. Tragedy struck in 2017 when Damavand hit a breakwater and sank after severe damage. However, Iran's engineers showcased their resilience by reconstructing Damavand II, which rejoined the Northern Fleet in 2021. The rebuilt Damavand boasts cutting-edge electronics and improved stability, ensuring it remains a vital asset. Its ability to operate in the landlocked Caspian Sea highlights Iran's adaptability in designing destroyers for diverse environments. Sahand, stealth and survivability, launched in 2018. Sahand is the crown jewel of the Moj class. This 96-meter destroyer incorporates stealth technology, reducing its radar signature for enhanced survivability. Equipped with phased array radars, Sahand can track multiple targets with pinpoint accuracy. Its arsenal includes surface-to-surface missiles, air defense systems, and long-range cannons, making it a versatile platform for oceanic missions. Sahand is designed for long-range operations, escort duties, and hybrid warfare. Its robust hull and advanced electronics allow it to navigate high seas and counter modern threats. With a focus on survivability, Sahand can withstand intense combat scenarios, cementing its role as Iran's most advanced destroyer to date. Dena, the modern warrior. Operational since 2021, Dena represents the latest evolution of the Moj class. This destroyer is a technological marvel, featuring digital fire control systems and state-of-the-art radars. Capable of engaging multiple surface and aerial targets simultaneously, Dena is armed with Qatar missiles, a 76mm naval gun, and anti-aircraft systems. Its helicopter deck supports naval aviation, while its stealth-oriented design minimizes detection. Dena excels in electronic warfare, with systems that can jam enemy signals and deceive incoming threats. Its integration of reconnaissance UAVs extends its operational reach, making it a force multiplier in complex naval engagements. With Dena, Iran has demonstrated its ability to produce cutting-edge warships that rival those of established naval powers. Legacy destroyers, modernizing the past. While the Moj class represents Iran's modern naval ambitions, older destroyers like Alvand, Alborz, Tabarzin, and Sabalan continue to serve with distinction. Acquired from the UK in the 1970s, these ships have been extensively modernized with indigenous systems, proving Iran's ability to breathe new life into aging platforms. Alvand, the veteran. Alvand, a Vosper-class destroyer, is a pre-revolution acquisition that remains a vital asset. Fully indigenized with modern radars, weapons, and navigation systems, it participates in naval exercises, international missions, and tanker escorts. Its versatility and reliability make it a flagship for training and operations in the Persian Gulf. Alborz, the Red Sea Voyager. Another Vosper-class destroyer, Alborz has undergone multiple refurbishments, equipping it with Nor missiles, digital radars, and naval guns. It has ventured into the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, serving as a flagship in joint operations. Its endurance and adaptability highlight Iran's commitment to maintaining a capable fleet. Tabarzin, the Coastal Guardian. Tabarzin, an Alvand-class destroyer, has been upgraded with indigenous communication systems and surface-to-surface missiles. Primarily used for patrols and coastal operations, it combines Western and Iranian technologies to remain relevant in modern naval warfare. Sabalan, the rebuilt legend. Sabalan, another pre-revolution destroyer, was heavily damaged during the Iran-Iraq War, but was meticulously rebuilt by Iranian engineers. Today, it serves as a training and support vessel, equipped with a mix of Western and indigenous systems. Though less publicized, Sabalan underscores Iran's ability to restore and repurpose its naval assets. The future, Zulfiqar and beyond. Iran's naval ambitions are far from complete. The Zulfiqar project, currently under development, promises to redefine Iran's destroyer fleet. Expected to displace over 3,000 tons, this indigenous design will feature a vertical launch system, VLS, long-range phased-array radars, and advanced air defense capabilities. Optimized for oceanic operations, Zulfiqar aims to compete with the world's most advanced destroyers. The Vallaya concept, though still in the planning stages, hints at Iran's vision for semi-stealth, multi-role destroyers equipped with drones, laser weapons, and enhanced electronic warfare systems. These projects signal Iran's intent to not only defend its waters, but also project power across the Indian Ocean and beyond. Technological marvels, systems, and capabilities. Iran's destroyers are equipped with an impressive array of indigenous technologies, reflecting years of research and development by the Ministry of Defense's naval industries. Weaponry, precision, and power. The Moj-class destroyers are armed with Noor, Qatar, and Ghadar cruise missiles, boasting ranges of 120 to 300 kilometers. These missiles enable precise strikes against surface targets, from enemy ships to coastal installations. The 76mm Fajr 27 naval gun provides rapid-fire support, while 40mm anti-aircraft guns and close-in weapon systems like the Sayad defend against aerial threats. Some ships feature vertical launch systems, adding flexibility to their missile arsenal. Radar and electronics, eyes and ears. Iran's destroyers have transitioned from analog to digital radar systems, with modern ships equipped with phased array and 3D radars. These systems can track up to 64 targets simultaneously, offering real-time threat detection and anti-jamming capabilities. Electronic warfare suites, including jammers and deception tools, protect against enemy missiles and aircraft. Integration with reconnaissance UAVs enhances situational awareness, allowing commanders to respond swiftly to emerging threats. Propulsion and design, agility and endurance. The use of combined diesel turbine engines ensures fuel efficiency and extended range, with some destroyers capable of operating for over 30 days without refueling. Reinforced naval steel hulls provide resistance to explosions and fire, while improved stability allows navigation in rough seas like the Sea of Oman. Stealth features, such as radar-absorbing materials and angular designs, reduce detection risks. Air defense, multi-layered protection. Air defense systems include short and medium-range missiles, digital-controlled anti-aircraft guns, and electronic countermeasures. The Sayad system, paired with advanced radars, can neutralize high-speed aerial threats, while electronic warfare tools disrupt enemy guidance systems. This layered approach ensures comprehensive protection against drones, missiles, and aircraft. Naval aviation, extending reach. Every Moj-class destroyer features a helicopter landing pad and hangar, supporting naval helicopters for reconnaissance, anti-submarine warfare, and search and rescue missions. Some ships deploy small UAVs for surface surveillance, with plans to integrate indigenous naval attack helicopters in the future. This capability significantly enhances the destroyer's operational flexibility. The engineering feat, building from scratch. Iran's destroyer program is a triumph of indigenous engineering. The entire production process, from hull design to combat system integration, is handled by the Ministry of Defense's Naval Industries, in collaboration with technical universities and the Khatam Al-Anbiya construction base. Heavy welding, propulsion system installation, and rigorous field testing in southern and northern ports ensure each ship meets exacting standards. This self-reliant approach has given Iran unparalleled expertise in naval architecture and systems integration. By producing every component domestically, Iran has insulated its navy from sanctions and supply chain disruptions, a feat few nations can claim. Strategic impact. A regional powerhouse, Iran's destroyers are more than military assets. They are instruments of national pride and strategic influence. Capable of operating in the Persian Gulf, Sea of Oman, Red Sea, and Caspian Sea, these ships deter potential adversaries and protect Iran's maritime interests. Their participation in international missions, such as escorting tankers and conducting joint exercises, showcases Iran's growing naval reach. Looking ahead, Iran aims to export its destroyer technology to regional allies, potentially reshaping the Middle East's naval balance. Projects like Zulfiqar and Vallaya position Iran as an emerging naval power, capable of challenging established players in the global arms market. Conclusion: a legacy of innovation. From the groundbreaking Jamaran to the futuristic Zulfiqar, Iran's destroyer program is a saga of resilience, ingenuity, and ambition. By building advanced warships with indigenous technology, Iran has not only secured its maritime borders, but also earned a place among the world's naval innovators. As the nation continues to push the boundaries of naval warfare, one thing is clear: Iran's destroyers are here to stay, and their story is just beginning. What do you think of Iran's naval achievements? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of military technology.